Notice of oaths required, legal accountability and constitutional compliance. Purpose of the notice: holds public officials accountable to their sworn oaths of office, ensures constitutional compliance in all government actions, serves as official documentation for legal or administrative proceedings, can be used as evidence in disputes where officials may have acted outside their legal authority. Who is bound by oaths? A notice of oaths required applies to any individual who has taken an oath of office, including government officials, local, state, and federal, judges and court officers, law enforcement officers, military personnel, and public servants, elected representatives. Legal basis for oaths of office: U.S. Constitution, Article VI, Clause 3, requires all executive, legislative, and judicial officers to take an oath to support the Constitution. State constitutions require state-level officials to take binding oaths of office. Federal and state laws, many statutes establish the legal requirement for oaths and their enforceability. Why issue a notice of oaths required? To remind public officials of their sworn duty to uphold constitutional and lawful governance. To establish a formal demand for compliance with constitutional and statutory laws. To use as a legal instrument in cases where officials act beyond their authority. To protect individual rights by ensuring that all official actions adhere to legal frameworks. Legal implications: if an official fails to uphold their oath, they may be subject to legal consequences, including removal from office, civil or criminal liability for unconstitutional actions, loss of credibility and public trust. The notice can be used in legal proceedings to demonstrate that the official was formally reminded of their obligations. Practical applications: filing a formal complaint against an official who has violated their oath. Using the notice in court cases to establish improper conduct by government authorities. Enforcing constitutional rights when dealing with public agencies. Challenging unlawful government actions in administrative or legal settings.